What gonna get me opinionated peeps? So people with here today for talk a little bit about well talk and listen as a matter of fact to the legendary singer singing melody. You don't know, say him a do the thing right now over there on IG where him interview him not call it interview, him call it reasoning. Where him reason with fellow co-workers or entertainers right now in the business. We don't see where him reason with well right now him have a reasoning with version. Right? I don't know dancehall artist version. We see where him do a reasoning with DYCR. We see him do a reasoning with the Angel, and you don't know only more. And me I tell you, yo, it's fun and entertaining. You understand me I say? Well, today we have to take a look on the fact that singing melody speak out right now about the reason why him lose the weight, right? If you notice the picture on the left is singing melody as we know him, and then the video right now him is a little bit slimmer. You understand me I say? And him explain that, and the man also explain say, yo, when time people see him a lose the weight, everybody affirm them own opinion as to why him a lose the weight, and them think about nobody chose to ask. You understand? Everybody just start to assume and I say, yo, him sick out, and you don't know what kind of sick me attack and all of that. But anyway, make we jump in right now and listen to what the legendary singer office, Alright then.
When they dip on the eye and just bring them to the lowest point, just to test the people around them to see how genuine they are. And I remember even stories in my life where I got sick. Was in New York City, living in New York City. I got sick in New York City. And that's why I say I tell a story through my life, my brother. When me and me call you, I tell you that it's like I'm not joke, a serious thing. So I got sick in New York. Don't know what the problem is. Doctor can't find, nobody don't know. Them put me in a quarantine for much days. I test, can't find anything. Anyway, I get so small that my eyes were it kind of was sunken down inside of me. I lost so much weight that one at a time I said, I'm not going to come back from this. But I already give up in my mind. But anyway, they found the problem and they said, boy, it's a simple thing, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to go counseling. They said, I'm going to do a mild radioactive operation. It was just my hormone. Simple thing, But it was my hormone. So anyway, do the operation, things come back to normal. Not back to normal, but, and recovery now. So the doctor said, I can travel and go to Jamaica. So I come Jamaica now. So when I come Jamaica, Papa, everybody when me know, stop, give me a different energy. I go for that charger here. Everyone when me know start give me a different energy. Man start say, hey, this thing I got tell you, you see the man start, the man no look good. The man not take the time out to ask me version. If how me do, how me feel, if everything alright, the man don't know what I'm to me, But man just start write me off immediately. And I said to myself, so, Father, you know everything I go work out. And in space about 3 months, I start come back around, put on back weight. You see within that time there, within that time there, no friends me not have, no everybody man I start say AIDS me have. One bag of sitting and them don't know what I'm to me, Them never take the time off to ask. But the lowest point in my life was that at that point where I felt like I had nobody around except my family.
Yeah.
My meds it. That song, it's real and reach out to be real. And most people never talk certain things on the internet because they don't want people to say, rare. But it was an emotional roller coaster for me and it bothered me because I think that the people that was with me was genuine.
True, that.
So respect for that song,
Well, on the ear from singing melody, and the song we talk about with version, as a matter of fact, he talk about the song when name Lowest Point, because version of a song when him drop name Lowest Point, and that is how they began to have the conversation, what led to singing melody explaining, how people used to view him when him start to lose the weight. You understand? But if you look on the image on the screen, right now it's on the right, and if you look on the video with singing melody, he has lost a lot of weight. You understand? But the man explains that, it was his hormones what caused him to lose the weight, but him own friend them around him did talk up all kind of things say him all have AIDS and them thing there. You understand? When you see how people turn? Yes, I saw people turn. Them name people. But watch out, man. This has been another one, Touch me down in the comment section because you don't know more to hear from you. As me always tell all the time, your opinion matters.
The dawn is breaking, a light shining through. You're barely waking, and I'm tangled up in you, yeah. Even the best fall down sometimes. Even the wrong words seem to rhyme. How did the doubt that fills my mind? You somehow find you and I collide. Well, you don't know, people. It's all about the energy, all about the love. And you don't know anything want to say a life. You saw me, I say,
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.